Before we put the head back on, let's take a look at the pistons. They are a stainless steel piston, highly resistant to scratching. In the event you see any type of a scratching on this, that could be the cause of water seals failing. If you have severe scratching on these and you put a new seal kit on, your seals may not last very long as it will erode away the seal and cause it to leak water. So at this point, we're going to go and put our head back on. We're going to install our 3 Allen head bolts. Now I've got them finger tight. I'm going to use my ratchet to snug it up some. The tightness on this does not seal the pump. The seals around the piston are what hold back the pressure. So I just go a little snug. Okay, that part's done. Now we can take our 3 valve caps. I'm going to put a little bit of lubricant around the O-ring. Get to the bottom, a little snug. I've never used a torque wrench when I've been doing this type of repair. Just want to put a little push on it. They're aluminum, so you don't want to over torque it. Additional tightening of this is not going to help the pump on the bolts or the caps. Now at this point, we've rebuilt the pump. We're going to hook it up to a garden hose and pressure hose, and we're going to see how it does. All right, we've just rebuilt the pump. Now we're going to hook up everything and give it a test. I'm going to start by adding my garden hose quick disconnect. I highly recommend having this for any garden hose attachment you have, but specifically for your pressure washer, because oftentimes it's just kind of hard to get in here and tighten those fittings up. So with this, we can simply slide this back and we're locked in place. I'm going to add my quick disconnect adapter to the pump. I've already got the other end on my hose, so I can simply lock it in place. I'm going to hook it up. I've got the same quick disconnect adapter here. I'm going to hook it up to my gun with my pressure gauge so we can see what we're doing. All right, now we're ready to test it and see what we got. Pump is working correctly. We're not leaking from the pump other than the garden hose connection, and we're trapping correctly. Pump is working just like it should.